Welcome to the future of networking. Today, we're diving into the brand new DrayTek Vigor2928 series, the ultimate high-speed 10 gigabit dual WAN VPN routers built for the next generation. The Vigor2928 series is engineered to meet the demanding bandwidth requirements of modern small and medium-sized businesses and high-density environments. This series replaces the popular Vigor2927, bringing massive upgrades in speed and capability. This new dual WAN VPN security router series introduces high-speed 10 gigabit connectivity on both WAN and LAN, coupled with robust security and versatile VPN capabilities. The series includes three models: the Vigor2928, which is the current base model, and two upcoming models expected later this year. These are the Vigor2928BE with integrated Wi-Fi 7 and the Vigor2928BE 5G, which features built-in 5G cellular connectivity. Prepare for a considerable performance upgrade. The Vigor2928 series is built to handle heavy traffic and critical business applications with ease. Each model features high-speed 10 gigabit interfaces, a 10 gigabit sfp-plus WAN port, a 10 gigabit sfp-plus LAN port, and a switchable 10 gigabit Ethernet WAN or LAN port, providing fast, future-proof backbone connectivity. You'll experience blazing fast performance with up to 9.3 gigabits per second of NAT throughput, and a formidable IPsec VPN throughput of 540 megabits per second. Let's take a deep dive into the Vigor2928BE model, which integrates the cutting edge of wireless technology, Wi-Fi 7, or 802.11be. The Vigor2928BE offers BE 7200 class Wi-Fi, delivering incredible maximum link rates, including up to 5,765 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band and 1,376 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band, to give a combined link rate of over 7 gigabits per second. Key Wi-Fi 7 features, such as multi-link operation, MLO, leverage multiple bands simultaneously to improve reliability and speed, while enhanced OFDMA ensures better resource allocation among multiple wireless users. For ultimate connectivity flexibility, the Vigor2928BE 5G model is designed for where fixed lines can't keep up, or when you need a robust backup. This model includes a built-in 5G/4G LTE nano SIM module alongside an eSIM option, ensuring you have fast, reliable mobile broadband access integrated right into your router. The Vigor2928BE 5G is perfect for remote locations, rapid branch office setup, or providing indispensable failover and load balance capabilities for your primary connections. The Vigor2928 series represents a substantial upgrade over the previous generation Vigor2927. Let's compare the differences. The Vigor2928 includes high-speed 10 gigabit sfp-plus and Ethernet ports, far surpassing the Vigor2927's fixed 1 gigabit interfaces, providing a modern foundation for your network. The Vigor2928 offers much faster NAT performance, up to 10 times quicker, and provides a notable boost in IPsec VPN performance compared to the Vigor2927. This means you'll enjoy more efficient and smoother operation overall. Beyond performance, the Vigor2928 series is loaded with enterprise-grade features to manage and secure your network effectively. Running on the new DrayOS 5, the Vigor2928 is Zero Trust ready with identity and access management, simplified secure remote access with easy VPN, and enhanced firewall protection using URL and IP reputation filtering. Manage your entire network effortlessly. Use the built-in virtual controller for managing up to 20 access points and 10 switches, or scale up with the Vigor ACS 3 centralized management platform. The DrayTek Vigor2928 series is the definitive upgrade for businesses seeking high-speed 10 gigabit connectivity, next-generation Wi-Fi 7, and robust security. Contact your local DrayTek partner or visit our website to upgrade your network today. Thank you for watching. Please like or leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. For more information about DrayTek products, please check out our website at draytek.com.au or send us an email to sales@draytek.com.au or give us a call on 02 9838 8899.